Good afternoon, friends. I am Dr. Sanjeet Kumar Das. I am Professor of Marketing, Sri Balaji University, Pune. Today, we are going to discuss a topic that is very close to my heart, that is brand personality in general, and more specific, this brand personality scale given by Jennifer Aaker. The moment we discuss personality, it is defined as the sum total of acting, thinking, and feeling, which makes an individual unique. So when we discuss about brand, we think when brand will become a human being, what kind of personality it will be having, and that is all about brand personality. We should not be confused with the brand ambassador, because brand ambassadors are the individuals being hired by the company for endorsement of the brand. But definitely we should think of brand ambassador. Selection of brand ambassador should be based on the brand personality of the brand. Daughter of the prophet of brand management, that is David Aaker. Her name is Jennifer Aaker. She has given this brand personality scale. This brand personality scale consists of 5 facets. The facets are sincerity, excitement, competency, sophistication, and ruggedness. So, the examples of brand personality, you can say, like suppose sincerity, we can take the brand that falls in these categories: Disney, Hallmark, Amazon, Cadbury. Coming to this excitement, the brands like Red Bull, Coca-Cola, Nike, they fall in this category. Competency brand personality is having the brand like Volvo, Google, Intel, Microsoft. Sophisticated brands like Rolex, Gucci, Apple, and the last one, that is ruggedness. So here the brands like Harley Davidson, Jeep, Marlboro, all these brands comes to mind. So we as a management professional or marketing professionals, we should try to find out the brand personality because of the brand, because it has to match with the personality of the customers, of the individuals, because they like individual, those who are the personality of the individual, if they are very excitement in their nature, they definitely go for a brand having excitement personality kind of thing. And at the same time, the brand ambassador for the endorsement should be a person, should be a celebrity having that kind of personality. Otherwise, if there will be a mismatch, then believability won't be there and there will be an error in positioning. So we have to be very, very careful while selecting these brand ambassadors, so that the personality of the brand ambassador should match with the brand personality, and the personality of the brand should be positioned in such a way that it should match with the personality of the target audience we are planning to target. Thank you very much.